is from God. It comes down clean, right through the cracks and the broken in between. Always follow the good road, even when it bends. Step by step, He leads you back again. Nobody is perfect, we all follow, but grace keeps moving where the hurt things go. Follow the good road, follow the good road, follow the good road. Nobody is perfect, still He holds us close. Hey, do not worry, do not worry, do not worry for the past. Do not worry for the future. His mercy is built to last. Hey, yes, we should accept with open hands the tired heart and the things we don't understand. What you can't change, lay down today. The heavy nights will not always stay. Nobody is perfect, we all need light, but love keeps calling out of shame and into light. Follow the good road, follow the good road, follow the good road. Hey, nobody is perfect, still He holds us close. Hey, do not worry, do not worry, do not worry for the past. Do not worry for the future. His mercy is built to last. Hey, angel guardian will protect you for sure. When the fear comes knocking, He opens the door. Angel guardian will protect you for sure. Keep on walking, child, you are safe in His hand. Follow the good road, follow the good road, follow the good road. Nobody is perfect, nobody is perfect, still He holds us close. Do not worry, do not worry, do not worry for the past. Do not worry for the future. His mercy is built to last.